Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Sofi, matric number E20B0365. Today I want to present about my business model canvas, BMC. Business model canvas is a strategic management and starting template for expanding new for existing business model in 2005. In this assignment, I choose a lifestyle and fashion company, namely Callisto, founded on September 2022 by Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Sofi. Callisto has successfully established name in Kuantan, Pahang. There's a variety of product of lifestyle. I choose this company because I'm interested more about the fashion. In addition, I think it's good to know that they are committed to adhering to the preparation standard for our brand factories and processing in shop. Next, we go to the key partners. Callisto, found in 2022, has followed the same course for almost 10 years, pursuing honestly and trust. It's a pioneer entrepreneurship attitude with the goal of creating an era when the average life span exceeds 10 years through fashion product has laid the foundation for Callisto to become firm that customer can trust. Callisto will make every attempt to the world a more interesting place, driven by the desire and challenge to create a new growth engine. Callisto further expand their business network in Malaysia. The majority of sales of this brand products are conducted online. The majority of sales of brand products are made through WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram. As a result, in facilities online transaction between vendor and buyers. Following that, this product can be found on online purchase sites such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. This allows buyers to buy a lifestyle product in a wholesale price. As a result, traders such as us can easily buy and sell their resume area. The advantage of this online platform is made life easier for trader and sellers. Key activities. Callisto must run the key operation to stay in business. In other words, this is the most important thing Callisto must achieve in order to offer their value proposition to customer. The main activities can be grouped as production, problem solving, and platform network according to research called research Callisto be stable in the start. One of the main operation of Callisto trying to sell variety of a new product attract a new customer. We go to key resources. Primary resources are most important asset. It enable Callisto to create a offer value proposition, reach market, and revamp and maintain relationship with their customer segment. In the physical category, it include assets such manufacturing facility, building system, vehicle point and sale system, and distribution network. A value proposition is a promise that Callisto makes to its customer. Customer can buy item from Callisto for easy understand reason through unique combination of factor target to the segment need. It value proposition as value to be a specific customer segment. Value may be qualitative such as design and customer experience, or quantitative such as price. Next, we go to distribution channel. A distribution channel is a middleman, a good of service travel through before it get to be target customer. As contrast, the prior process, also known as the supply chain, the distribution channel, is a component of the subsequent process. Wholesaler, retailer, distributor, and even the internet may be used in the distribution process. Direct or indirect distribution channel can be separated into two categories, while indirect channel allow customer to buy things from wholesaler or retailer. Customer segment, Callisto is the consumer group that the company target. It provides service to accessible client without making distinction between different customer types and works to address to need a concern of similar customer, teenager, families, and individual with a medium to high incomes for purchase a brand, shoes, bag, t-shirt from at the color store. Customer relationship. The customer relationship department is the part of the organization that respond to customer feedback. Based on the feedback, the customer relationship department will collect all the feedback and compile it to management. The purpose to make sure that product has improvement based on the customer feedback. Next, we go to the cost structure. The many fixed and variable costs that make up a company's total expense are added together to produce its cost structure. It is significant conclusion that summarizes all of the brand of shoes and aspects related to running this company's strategy. Value driven and cost driven cost structure are the two categories into which separate. A value driven cost structure aim to increase the product value rather than deliver it at the lowest possible price. The goal of a cost-driven cost structure, on the other hand, it is to minimize the cost of the good or service. Last, revenue. Revenue is the money earned by a business numerous commercial endeavor, such as selling a good and service. A revenue stream is a graph display the amount money a company bring in from each customer group. Most business need at least one large revenue source in the order profit. Example of revenue stream include asset sale, use fees, subscription fees, lending, licensing, brokerage fees, and advertising, selling the ownership right to physical property. Going to follow that, when the customer use service, pay the user cost, the user fee create from the WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook from the other shipping.